It's Teacher Paige. It's time for Oh My Stars! Let's go! I have tons of food stars, and the students really like them. I did not make these stars. I can't take credit for them, but they're amazing. And I did make some chocolate stars, which my students love. I also have donut stars, KFC stars, ice cream stars. If you want me to make you some food stars, just let me know. It makes me very hungry. Oh, I made some egg stars. Those cracked me up. Okay, anyway, I love the food stars because it really gets them talking, because who doesn't love food, right? So when they get their star, oh, do you like strawberries? Okay, and when I'm talking with the student at the beginning of the lesson, getting to know them, I might ask them what are their favorite things to eat, and maybe I have a few of those foods in my star kit so that I can, pull them out real quick while we're doing the warm-up or something, so that I have them all laid out ready to go for when they earn their star. Food always gets my students talking. If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post new videos. Happy teaching!